what we got? Oh, I had a hard time getting it to come on, and it's because they want you to push that down first, then turn it on. While the middle button is flashing, it's warming up. Then there's 2 speeds. Okay. So that's stop flashing. Are we going to have steam? Okay. Now we have steam. So I'm going to use it. It's going to come off. It's doing the same thing. So that would be a no buyer.
And any painted surface, any kind of laminate flooring. I'm impressed already. Remember, Amazon won't let the video go too long.